Hi dear civil engineers, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all in your own platform that is Resultant. Guys, when we are preparing for this GATE exam or other company exam, many students have a goal of PSU, or even some of you have a different goal, might be engineering services, but as for other exams, the exam is very long, it takes 1 year, and the recruitment of PSU is very fast. So in between they join a PSU. In any case, whether the PSU is a full stop for your career, that means it's your ultimate dream, or it may be a comma, that means you are trying for engineering services and another exam. Any case may be, what PSU or which PSU is best for civil engineers? Before telling you that, guys, let me tell you that which PSU is best. I will name only one. I'll not be diplomatic. Just after a few minutes, I'll be naming only one PSU, but different PSUs have different advantage. Like in Coal India Limited, the disadvantage is the locations will be remote, but work pressure will not be very high, and the promotion and the perks and everything is fine. In ONGC, your job may be at very remote location like a Bombay High or a 30 kilometers away from the seashore sometimes, and sometimes it may be a Dehradun as well. So different PSUs depending upon salary, depending upon various factors. Some PSUs have advantage in some factors, disadvantage in some factors, but overall, which is best PSU for civil engineer, I'll be telling you in this session. And not only that, guys, my students whom I taught in the past in offline or online are in various PSUs: IOCL, BPCL, HPCL, Airport Authority of India. Those, they're all interviews, or they're all explanation I will be telling you. So what they thought about their job. Like this is Bhaskar. Okay, he is in BPCL. He is the sales head of 4 districts of Rajasthan. His clients are army. Okay, his clients are Airport Authority of India. So let me listen from him first. Him I have taught 3 to 4 subjects in Jodhpur in offline. And then we'll be going further for what are the PSUs, how we can go there, what is the eligibility, okay, what are the various ways through which we can go to PSUs, in which PSUs civil engineers are allowed, what was the approximate cut of the PSU, everything I am going you. But let us start first with Bhaskar and then we'll go further.
The work profile is person, PSU executive, for example, HPCL, IOCL, ONGC, is more about your skills, not about your qualification. Skills mainly managerial skills. How do you manage people? How do you manage manpower? How do you manage the projects? And the companies will try to accommodate you as per your qualification. However, the skills that you possess inside you will matter more than your qualifications sometimes as you reach up the level. The company will try to accommodate you as per your qualification, but you cannot expect that there are 100% chances that you will be placed as per your qualification only. For example, I am a civil engineer, but the company thought that the right place for me is in sales and marketing. So I am handling sales, industrial sales. I'm handling customers like army, railways, and infra companies, and I market petroleum products, for example, bitumen, kerosene, diesel, and turpentine oil to them.
Okay, guys, so that bottom bar is old. No, okay, that t-shirt is also old. So let us go come back to our own. Let me pause this. Okay, so we have other students also who are sharing their thoughts with you. Okay, so guys, that is not our contact number. The resultant contact number is different. Let me share you that. If you don't know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Abhinav Negi. My email ID is abhinav@resultant.in. This is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav. Sir, you can contact me here. So this is my number, guys. Okay, this is our Telegram group. Already 6,200 students have joined me here. And HPCL test series you can take. This is our GATE courses. You can take the GATE courses, live classes, recorded classes, PYQs, study notes, complete formula book of all subjects. Everything will be available there along with the workbook, which includes MSQ, MCQ, NET questions. Okay. So this is our number, guys. You can connect us here. Now, shall we begin, everyone? Yeah, come on, give me yes or no on the comment section here. Give me yes or no on the comment section, everyone. How is the Josh, guys? Everyone is fine. Yes, Money, how are you? Okay, random is also here. So interesting user IDs of all the students. Interesting user ID of all the students. Yes, Syam Babu, how are you? Okay. Now, guys, you can be going into a PSU in 4 ways: either through the gate score, either through the PSUs exam, or through placement. In some colleges, guys, PSU directly goes for the placement, like NIT Allahabad, IIT, all IITs, there directly PSU goes. Earlier, there was a ban, somebody has put a case, so for 2 to 3 years in not a single college PSU have gone, but now they are going in some NITs and NITs. And guys, apart from this, there is one more way, that is walk-in interview. There is a direct walk-in interview also, but that is not periodic. Okay, like let me tell you guys, I have passed in 2012 from Jamia Millia Islamia BTech, and then I did my MTech from IIT Delhi. So one of my batchmate from my BTech, Mithilesh, has joined Airport Authority of India, and he has not given any written exam. That time it was walk-in interview. On the basis of his very good knowledge in structures, his MTech degree in structures, and on the basis of his experience, that time the walk-in interview was there, and he has gone there, and he was selected out of thousands of the students. Okay, so this walk-in interview is not every occur, it is happening, it is not every year it is happening, it is not in every PSU, but sometimes it may randomly come in any other PSU. Might be after 3 years, might be after 4 years. Okay, so this is also one more thing. Apart from this, guys, from gate you can go through the PSU exam. Some PSUs take their own exam, or through the placement, but this is only in some colleges, and this is also only for some PSUs and not every year. Might be after 5 years, Airport Authority will be calling walk-in interview, and most of the time they take the experience also, that this should be your minimum experience on the site. Okay, now guys, what are the PSUs in which the various branches are eligible, that you can take screenshot. Okay, like if I talk about civil engineers, guys, so civil engineer is in NTPC. Okay, civil engineer is in ONGC civil engineers can go, IOCL they can go, SAIL they can go, guys. Okay, BHEL they may go. Seats are not as high as mechanical engineers, but yes, BHEL always there for civil. BARC they can go, guys. Okay, DRDO, they not every year civil engineers are going, so I'm not writing that there. So there are various PSUs, you can see that which branches are eligible there. Rights they can go. Okay, HAL civil engineering may be there sometime, may not be there. NHI civil engineering is there, guys. In fact, if you go 3 years back, then the students who are getting the best rank in GATE, single digit rank in GATE, and also selected in engineering services, they are selecting NHI, not engineering services. But NHI every day is not coming from GATE. Sometimes it is coming from the ESC extended list also. So students who are in the ESC extended list or ESC rank students can apply for NHI. So it is not like that every year it is coming from civil engineering. Okay. Now this is the cutoff for PGCIL. Guys, one more thing I want to tell you here, that let me tell you the PSUs and recruitment through GATE. Either the recruitment will be GATE or its own exam, or it is not fixed. Sometimes anything can happen, like NHI. So NTPC it is recruiting through GATE every year. From last many years, NTPC will not be taking its own exam. Okay, NTPC will be recruiting from GATE. ONGC, guys, it will be recruiting from GATE. IOCL always recruiting from GATE. NHI, guys, not fixed. Sometimes 3 years back it was recruiting from GATE. Sometimes it is recruiting from the extended list of engineering services, so it is not fixed. PGCL from GATE, CIL from GATE, HPCL is fixed. It is fixed that it is not taking from GATE, it is taking from its own exam. Although in 2013, 2014, HPCL recruits from the GATE exam. But from last many years, HPCL is taking its own exam for the recruitment. NPCIL is recruiting through the GATE exam. Hi Anantma, hi Nandu, how are you everyone? Okay, so this is the mode of entry of the various PSUs. Either they are recruiting through GATE or their own exam, or not fixed. Like Engineers India Limited, most of the time it is recruiting from the GATE exam. Rights, it is not fixed. Sometimes they take own exam, sometimes they recruit from the rank of any other thing, sometimes it is not fixed. So I have not mentioned anything. SAIL is from GATE, GAIL is from GATE, BHL takes its own exam. HPCL, BHL are the PSUs which is 100% that they will be coming with their own exam. Okay, Airport Authority of India, guys, ATC is a wing. ATC is a wing which is taking its own exam. Okay, and ATC, guys, it is not only for engineers. Even you are from BSc, you can go there. Okay, so ATC is the ATC wing, the traffic control wing. Their engineers can go, their BSc student can go. So that they take their own exam of 120 marks. Cutoff is around 90 marks there. Okay, and the syllabuses of ATC is not civil. In ATC, guys, they ask anything. They not anything means they will not ask civil. They will ask physics, chemistry of class 11, 12, mathematics of that, English, reasoning. So they have nothing to do with civil. They have nothing to do with mechanical. They will be taking an exam which consists of physics, mathematics, and reasoning, aptitude, and maths. Those 120 mark paper. And what is the job of ATC? You must have seen long towers near airport. So these are the persons who are navigating or giving guidance or giving the controls to the pilot, that you should be going this, you should be going up in this longitude or this latitude. Okay. And thereafter selecting in the written exam, there is no interview, but there is a voice modulation test. There, if your voice is good, so that pilot can, in the extreme circumstances also, the pilot should be recognizing your voice, your pronunciation should be clear. So voice modulation test is also there. And guys, there the perks are very high because it is a kind of a very stressful job, because not an iota of a mistake you can do, because many lives are on your decision. So not an iota of mistake should be done. So here shift is very hectic but not long. Okay, shift is very hectic but not long. But yes, Airport Authority of India, that is the engineering wing, that is recruited through the GATE exam. This traffic wing, traffic navigation wing, takes its own exam, but this engineering wing is recruiting through GATE exam. Oh, it is written here. NHPL from the GATE exam. So guys, there are some state PSUs also, like Terry Hattel Dam Corporation, Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited, Terry Hattel Dam Corporation. Okay, these are the state PSUs. Okay, Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited is not fixed. TSDL is recruiting through GATE, DDA is recruiting through GATE. BIS also, you can say it is not fixed. Sometimes it is recruiting through GATE, sometimes it takes its own exam also. So these are the various PSUs. Now guys, if I go that there are PSUs categorized into three things, mainly the central PSUs. Okay, the central PSUs are categorized in three categories. These three categories are Maharatna, Navratna, and Mini Ratna. Certain PSUs are in this category. There are 13 PSUs who are in Maharatna category. Guys, might be you are watching this video after 2 years. This may be different, because last time I made the video there are only 12 Maharatnas. Now it is 13. Might be if you are watching this after 8 months, there may be 14, 15 or even 12 also. Okay. So these are here 7 PSUs, and here there are more than 70 plus PSUs which are Mini Ratna. Now why a PSU is Maharatna, why a Navratna or Mini Ratna, that depends on the revenue that is generated by that PSU. If more is the number, there is a fixed scale. If more is the number, that will be considered as Maharatna. If lesser value, it is Navratna and it is Mini Ratna. Now state PSUs like Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited. Okay, so some Transco, Jansco, there are some other state PSUs as well. Now if I tell you the Government of India manual, now Maharatnas, if I talk about the central PSUs, not the state PSUs, there are 13 Maharatnas. Oil India Limited has added recently. Okay, so now at present there are 13 PSUs, but it keeps on changing as any of the Navratna gives more revenue, they may be jumped to Maharatna. Okay, similarly they come here also. So PSUs like BL, okay, BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, CIL, Coal India Limited, GAIL, HPCL, Indian Oil, NTPC, Oil and Natural Gases, Power Grid, and SAIL, SAIL. Okay, these all are Maharatnas. Let me tell you guys, there are various units of SAIL across the country. Suppose there are 8 sales. I'm not, this is not the exact number, let me give you a random example. Suppose there are 8 sale plants. Let me tell you, 7 of them are in loss. 8 is not the correct number. It can be any number. Suppose there are x number of power plants of sale, then x minus 1 are in loss, only one is in profit, that is in Bhilai, and that one profit is such that overall sale becomes profit. All sale units are in loss, only one unit of Bhilai is profit, and that profit is of such a magnitude that overall sale is profit, and in generating such a revenue. Guys, Maharatna will not be decided on the basis of profit or loss. Maharatna is decided on the basis of the revenue it is generating. So that one unit is generating such a revenue that it is in Maharatna. Okay. Now there are some Navratnas like BL, okay, Engineers India Limited, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Okay, so there are 21 mini Ratnas, and then there are mini Ratnas also, like Airport Authority of India is mini Ratna. Guys, salary structure, sorry, these are not 7, this is 21. Guys, salary structure of all PSUs are more or less same. Okay, salary structure of all PSUs except few are more or less same. Usually what happens in Maharatna, like ONGC is a Maharatna, NTPC is a Maharatna, IOCL is a Maharatna, SAIL is a Maharatna, Coal India Limited is a Maharatna. These all PSUs which are in Maharatna category, their perks, their allowances may be sometimes little more than other PSUs, but basic salary will not be different. Like Airport Authority of India salary, NTPC salary, IOCL salary is almost same. ONGC and Power Grid are two PSUs which offer a little higher package. I'm not saying basic salary, I'm saying higher package than the others. I'm repeating, guys. Basic salary of all PSUs, whether it is Maharatna, Navaratna, Miniratna, is almost same. But yes, some perks, some allowances will be more in Maharatna and comparatively lesser in Navaratna, comparatively even lesser in Miniratna. If I say two PSUs which are offering you highest package including allowances, that is Power Grid and ONGC. These offer the highest facility and highest package. But for civil engineers, let me tell you, I know many of the civil engineers, including my own brother, where the Airport Authority of India is giving better facilities and better exposure and the better work-life balance than other PSUs like IOCL. So although Airport Authority is a mini Ratna, but still my brother is there and is not gone to IOCL and other PSUs. That depends on certain wings also. Might be for a chemical engineer, IOCL is best. Airport Authority is not that good for him. But for a civil engineer, guys, as Airport Authority of India is giving the better exposure, better experience, and a better work-life balance, better work profile than most of the PSUs. Like ONGC, a civil engineer will not be doing a lot of creative thing. IOCL also civil engineer will not be doing a lot of creative thing. BPSL वहाँ पे हो सकता है वो तेल बेच रहे हो. But Airport of India, AI is giving the actual feel of civil engineers. But let me tell you, in what is our topic today? Which is the best PSU? Airport Authority is not the answer. I will be telling a better one also. Okay. So guys, this is the thing. Now let us, one more student mine, Satyam, who was MPPSC rank 14. I teach him, I guess, 5 to 6 subjects in offline. I teach him 5 to 6 subjects to him in offline. Okay, he was in IOCL. Later he got MPPSC rank 14. And let us see his thoughts as well, what he wants to say. Okay. Whenever I give the question, what is one of the first one to answer?
Public sector called Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Indian Oil is basically divided into 5 major subdivisions, namely pipeline division, marketing division, refinery division, R&D division, explosive and petrochemical division. So you can be selected in any of these divisions. I got pipeline division. In pipeline division is subdivided into various departments, namely construction, operation and maintenance, tendering, and so on. So I got construction, and in construction I have a project of pipeline laying from Kandla to Gorakhpur, in which there are various intermediate stations to be developed for ICL facilities. So, as an civil engineer, I got an opportunity to build these intermediate station. So, this is a brief description of my profile and division and department in Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Uh, Hope you do good in GATE 2023 examination and got selected in Indian Oil Corporation Limited. All the best for your GATE 2023.
Okay, so guys, he is Satyam. I taught him in Jabalpur when I used to teach in offline, and he later on resigned that and joined MPPSC because he wants to be in his state, and he got All India rank 14 there as well. Now, guys, if you have any doubt, please let me know. Good evening, Atma, good evening, Mani. Any doubt, guys, you can ask me. Okay, let us hear from one of my student. Okay, but before that, let me tell you the experience of my own brother, Vaibhav Negi. Okay, we are two brothers. He is in Airport Authority of India. He joined Gwalior, then he posted Pathankot, and later on he is now in Delhi only. Okay, so let us see what he wants to share.
Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav Negi and I have done my BTech.
Currently posted in Pathankot.
And then I appeared for GATE exam in 2016 and secured
English में क्या रहा है भाई?
43. Using the same rank, I have done my MTech from IIT Delhi and then later on joined Airports Authority of India in 2018. So as far as work is concerned, I would say we are techno managers here. We have to manage, what can I say, you have to manage labor, you have to manage tools and plants, you have to manage material. So you are not fully working on your technical skills. Apart from your core branch or core specialization, you may be assigned various different works regularly assigned from your superiors. Like in AI, if you are posted at smaller airport, then you may have some extra charges like of motor transport department of or commercial or land, something like this. So it may depend on in which PSU you are. So apart from your course specialization, you may get some other works also.
Okay, so guys, he is my brother. Like me, he has done his BTech from Jamia Millia. Both of us have done BTech from same college, Jamia Millia in civil engineering, and MTech also surprisingly from same college. There's ideally, but I am from Geotech and he is from transportation. Now, one more, my student Ashutosh. He earlier he was in HPCL when he has made this video, but now he got, I guess, second rank or first rank in MPPSC, and now he is in MPPSC. So let us hear from him as well. He was in Panipat Refinery.
Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Sharma. I have secured All India rank of 119 in GATE of the year 2022. Further, I got selected in various PSUs and currently I am working in Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Talking about IOCL has basically 5 divisions, but after getting selected through GATE, you will be allotted any of the 3 divisions, that is basically refineries, marketing or pipeline. Earlier the trend used to be to call all the aspirants to one particular location, provide training there, and after that allotment of division used to happen. But now, particularly in refinery divisions, you will be directly called to the place of posting and the training is being done there only. Further, talking about a civil engineer could be posted in refineries in 3 departments, that is civil maintenance, engineering services or project, as the expansion of the refineries are going on in the supply. Talking about my job profile, I am currently posted in civil maintenance department at Panipat Rafta Cracker, and the scope of job here is to look after the maintenance of units, roads and building inside the plant. Okay, that's all from my side guys. Best of luck for your day. Bye-bye.
Okay, so guys, if any one of you
Okay.
want to ask anything,
let's,
you can ask me, guys. Okay, I will answer that. Okay. I hope now you feel little bit motivated all these students, what they are saying now, that there are various departments. Suppose let me talk about IOCL. So IOCL, they are saying there are 5 departments, like sale is there, marketing is there, refinery is there, engineering is there. But guys, any department they can give you. Okay, it will not be decided on the basis of rank, that who has the best rank, he will be given a choice. No, they see certain qualities, like Bhaskar, whom I taught in Jodhpur. Okay, so he told na that the company think that he will be more good in marketing and sales, so he was allotted marketing and sales department. Some others are giving the refinery department. Okay, and let me tell you, in IOCL, NTPC, in all these PSUs, most of the time 95% chance that you will not be doing a civil engineering work. Okay, might be you're doing marketing, might be you're managing the manpower, and almost all PSUs, including Airport Authority of India, your job will be techno managerial. It will not be purely technical, it will be techno managerial, and so it may be purely managerial. Like in IOCL and NTPC, it may be purely managerial, but in Airport Authority, it will be techno managerial. And guys, the best PSU, any comments for civil engineer? Best PSU for civil engineers, it is not Maharatna, guys. It is not Maharatna. Rights is not good. Avinash, let me tell you. Hi Suraj. Rights is not good. Many of my students, Abhishek Nagaj, okay, he was my student from Gwalior. He got, I guess, all India rank 125 or 124 last to last year. He go to Rights, and now he was selected in a better PSU. He selected engineering services mains also this time, and Rights is not allowing him to switch his job, and they are asking for the 5 lakh or 6 lakh bond that he has signed. Usually what happens in other PSUs, when we switch from one PSU to other PSU, or one PSU from a government job, then your bond is transferable. If you go to a private company, then it's okay. But from PSU to PSU, your bond is transferable. If you go to NTPC and later on, after you are selected in IOCL or engineering services and you want to switch, they will not be asking you money. But Rights, especially from last 2 years, are not making the exit policy very smooth. And this is not only of my student Abhishek. I asked him if this is happening with you or other students also. So he is saying that all the candidates are suffering from the same thing. He has to give a Coal India Limited interview, and he wants to go, but they are not allowing him to go. They are saying that give the bond money. Okay, so Rights is not that good, although it is mini PSU, mini Ratna also. Okay, so best PSU for civil engineering, guys, Engineers India Limited, because this is the PSU which is let me, guys, this is the PSU now in which your work will be more technical. In among all the PSUs the maximum technical work will be in Engineers India Limited, that is Navratna. Now sir, I don't want to do the technical work, sir. Why you are telling me this? I don't want to do technical work, I am happy in managing the things. Let me tell you guys, when you are managing the things now, might be after 15 years, 20 years, if you don't want to be in public sector, you want a job like 70 lakh per annum or 1 crore per annum or 2 crore per annum, then you will be switching your job and going to a private company. And many of the engineers, I know my batchmates also, who worked in India Limited, they are making the structural drawing there, and like they are working like exactly like a private company. I'm not saying the work-life balance, I'm not saying the hours of their job, but whatever they are working for 5 to 6 hours, they are working purely civil engineering. They are not, unlike IOCL officer, unlike HPCL officer, they are not marketing the things or selling the things. Okay, so most chances that your work will be more related to civil engineer, and then later on when you switch the job, as you have worked in a PSU, you have a very good exposure and experience, your market value will be very high. Guys, it is not like the IOCL engineer who has worked there for 15 years, or IOCL BHEL engineer will not be having a market value. He will also have a market value, but his market value will be in the managerial positions. Okay, many of my friends who were in IOCL, after 15 years they quit the job and they are in Gulf countries, in I don't know the name of that company, which is the best or the biggest oil producer, and they are getting their if I convert in rupees, it will be more than 5 crore package per year. Okay, so there also the experience will count, and many of the top companies in the world who is in that field, they will be hiring you, but here the chances will be more. Okay, because the experience of the technical is always more than the experience of the managerial job. Okay, any other doubt you can want to ask, guys? Any other doubt you want to ask, guys? Hi Mani, Nandu, everyone. Okay, so guys, this is all about PSUs. The best PSU, I am telling again, is Engineers India Limited for civil engineers. Okay, and if you are selected in Airport Authority of India and IOCL and others, then you can go for Airport Authority of India, because IOCL, ONGC are very good PSUs. Your life will be fine, the infrastructure, everything, the facilities, the accommodation will be fine. But yes, in Airport Authority of India, you will be having that kind of a feeling like a government engineer, because you have the various junior engineers and laborers under you. Okay, so the power will be there for civil engineer in Airport Authority of India, which will not be there in IOCL and other PSUs. The salary of a PSU officer and a government class 1 officer is almost same. Sometimes PSU is given more salary. The difference is power. A government assistant engineer will be having the power which will not be there in the PSUs. Okay, so that power, not completely like a government officer, but that power will be little bit in Airport Authority of India. Okay, so in that way, Airport Authority of India is also good, guys. Thank you guys. You can download our Resultant app if you have not downloaded till now, Resultant Civil app. And for any doubt or any, if you want to connect me, guys, then you can connect me here. This is my number and this is my mail ID. If you want to join our courses, guys, then the GATE courses are there in English and Hindi both. For 1 year and 2 year, both courses are there. You can watch the live classes and the recordings of those. You can watch infinite number of times. Study notes, PYQs, doubt session, test series, everything will be there. Okay, complete test series, exactly like GATE platform. Complete formula book of all subjects. And when I'm talking of question bank, now this includes MSQ also. Everybody will be giving you MCQ or maximum NET, but here you will be getting MSQ as well. Okay, thank you guys. And if you want to join HPCL, guys, the test series there, 1+1, buy one get one free. Okay, this is the test series that is made by the resultant faculties, and this is the test series that is made by the experts and the subject matter experts. With rupees 399, you will get not only the board test series with just one price, but also the complete formula PDF of all subjects. Thank you guys. For any doubt, you can connect me or you can put the comments in the comment box. Thank you. Take care.